Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Home Depot. So let's dive in. All right, get us started. We see that they still have 40% off all outdoor patio furniture. So if you have not checked some of this stuff out, you definitely need to. You can see all of this right here. I wanted to show you guys. A lot of this has been picked over at one of my Home Depots, and you can see a lot that is left, but these are drastically discounted. So if you want any type of outdoor seating, this is definitely a great time to grab it. We're still in July, so we still have a lot of outdoor time left. So you can see some of these setups here with just some chairs, even some tables, little bistro tables. You can see this one right here, again, down to $209. Good price for that. And then about once or twice a year, they will sell a bunch of these patio cushions. And so this is definitely a time I recommend you guys grabbing some of those. You can see all the different ones right here that are on sale. But great time to go ahead and grab these. Maybe you need a refresh or whatever that might be. We might even have to grab some for some of our outdoor seating. Then they even have some of these pillows. Probably, you might not want to show your wife this, but if you want to grab some, great time to get some right now. So check some of these out, even some outdoor candles and other kind of stuff like that. More decor. You can see even more of these right here. A lot of these outdoor chairs as well. If you have ever wanted some of those, you can snag some. Pretty good deals on that. 17, 18 bucks right there. Plastic ones, got little tables for 8 bucks. Even have some of these like wicker benches and more chairs like this. 40 bucks for one of those. 20 something right there. 28 for the other ones. Even some rocking chairs on sale. Little bistro setups and all those things right there. There was a ton of people in here looking at those, and they were like moving stuff in and out the whole time while I was there. So setting up this, trying to move a lot of this inventory, definitely a great thing to do there. I will have links for some of these items down below as well. If you're interested, you can check them out down there. They have these little like mini totes, 6 totes for 10 bucks. These are hilarious. I mean, you can see how small they are. They are tiny. So little mini totes for storing stuff or whatever it might be. It could be Legos or any kind of thing like that. It'd be kind of fun. They did have some of these Husky items right here. You can see some of these. Great thing to pick up. Again, storing your tools there. Pretty good deals on those. They will go on sale. I have not seen this yet. I wanted to show you all this. 80 bucks right here. They have the army colored type of storage there for Husky. Also have some box fans down 20 bucks. Good thing if you need one of those. Have the starter kit here. Great little starter kit batteries for some Ryobi tools. When you buy the starter kit, you get a free tool as well, so you get to choose one of those. Another great drill. We've looked at some other drills kind of in different places. This is a solid drill for 50 bucks. Definitely one. If you don't have one, I recommend you check this one out. More storage options. Guess they're trying to gear up for the fall, trying to get some storage stuff. But you can see these. This is also the largest tote I have ever seen in my entire life. This thing is Husky. Huh. But this thing is huge. It's crazy right here. 100 bucks for that. I mean, you better have some stuff to put in there. They do have buy more, save more stuff going on right here for Milwaukee. If you spend $250, you get to save $50. $350, you get to save $100. So if you're going to be purchasing anything or if you need some stuff, now it's a pretty good time. They will have better deals at Black Friday, but if you need it right now, they still have some good deals going on right now for Milwaukee. More garage storage here, 200 bucks. You get to save 20 bucks off of this. Heavy duty storage here, again for your garage or your shop. They do have the buy this kit right there and then get the free tool we were talking about a minute ago, but I want to show you more options. You can see all these free tools on there. So again, if you need any of those tools or if you need some stuff, great time to purchase those. So you can see one of those options right there for Ryobi. I always like these little Ryobi tools. You can see some of these. Not all of them on sale, but we do have the little flashlight here on sale. Down to 18 bucks. Pretty good deal with that one. Small storage option. Has the little small batteries as well. Then we also have the 44-piece Essentials driving set. Again, something you're not going to run to, but get to save, a few bucks on that. More 6-tool combo kit here for 200 bucks. Solid deal. Get the drills, get 2 saws. So pretty good deal on that one. Sunshade protection Milwaukee did have a few more deals going on right now. You can see this one for some like safety stuff. Had a lot of their like shirts and hats and stuff like that on sale. More of those right here. Some hats down a little bit on those. Even some work pants. Get to save a few bucks. Check those out. Again, had the same thing. Buy one of these for free. So if you buy the battery there, you get one of these tools for free here. Same thing with this one. Buy one, get one of these for free. So again, had a bunch of different options on those, depending on which one you might need. But you can see all the different ones here. So again, same thing. If you need to buy some tools and Milwaukee's what you're going to go with, still some decent deals you can get right here. Same thing with this one. You can check those out there. And again, more options with these. Another 6-tool combo kit similar to the Ryobi one here. This one's you get to save almost 100 bucks, but pretty good deals on those. Same thing, get a couple drills, saws, little multi-tool, flashlight, get some stuff there. Compact brushless drill driver kit here, 116. More merch, hats and shirts and stuff like that there. See some of those again if you need any of those. Snag some at your local Home Depot, or you can check some of the links I have down below. Job site fan, this was 4th of July savings, but it's still up right now, so I think it's still available. So get to save 40 bucks on that, especially when it's so hot. Great thing there. More essential kit here for link. Also, if this video has been helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more deals. Got the homeowner's kit. Great thing to check out there. Solid thing for, kids going off to school or just to have some at your house. Even some grilling utensils here. Great thing to grab yourself. 8-piece tool set. They had these anvil tools down here. Just want to show you all those. Screwdrivers, scissors, and some box blades there. I mean, solid thing again to have like a DIY option in your house. They also had the rigid shop vac here. Always need one of those. 9 bucks. Pretty good price for that one. It will go cheaper later in the year. They did have these like little soundboards, kind of for decor and stuff like that. Little sound panels here. You can see those. So again, if you wanted to decorate, check that out right there. See all the different colors and options for those. Then we have the 21-piece air toolkit here for Husky 125. And then more options for Husky right here. More air tools and stuff like that. The ratchet wrench here. So again, if you need some of those. Husky's a solid brand. They're going to do a good job. I've had some of their tools. Still have some of their bags and stuff like that. Little impact wrench as well. Little pneumatic deals and tools here. Makita angle drill. 125 there. Good option right there for that one. Another little hoodie towel right when you came in there. Helping you cool off a little bit. They also had this fridge on sale. So you see that. 50 bucks off of that, or 50% off. So again, if you need one, great thing to check out there. Then they had the string trimmer and blower here for Ryobi. So check those deals. A bunch of different options with that. They also had lawnmower here, down to 400 bucks. It is definitely grass cutting season. If you don't have one, check that one out. And then outside, I wanted to show you they even had some more setups out here. They had a little table set up here, right under 400 bucks. If you don't have one of those, for outdoor sitting and stuff like that, check it out right there. Even have the umbrella, trying to cool everything off. That's a great deal on that one. And then even this gas grill, down to $199. A little propane grill here. Great thing to check out. But overall, there's some great deals going on right now at your local Home Depot. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing, or if you've grabbed anything, I'd love to know that as well. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another deal, and I will see you in the next video.